Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add sound to only one clip on TikTok. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the plus like you will normally do to upload a video. And you're going to tap on upload in the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to ensure that select multiple is selected in the bottom left hand corner. After doing that, you are going to tap on the clips that you would like to upload. For example, this one right here and this one. Then you are going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After the clips has been uploaded, you are going to tap on adjust clips from the drop down menu on the right hand corner. After doing that, you are going to tap on add sound. So let me delete this sound right here, then tap on add sound. And from here, you are going to search for the sound that you would like to add. And after you have found a song, for example, this one, you will simply tap on the sticky. Next, you are going to go to the end of the timeline or to the end of the sound. And you are going to tap on the sound, then you are going to drag it to the end of the first clip. As you can see right here, this is where the first clip ended. And that's it. Then you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner and you would continue with uploading of your TikTok video. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.